Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Happy Women's Day. I just thought to drop by on Instagram and rant about some stuff or just give away 2 cents on what I feel. I just feel there's so much insecurity, negativity around, and I think hamesha se rahi hai, but since the time and age of social media, it has been more highlighted and it's been more on this space now. But yeah, guys, I have DMs full of women asking me, how do you have this flawless skin? What do you do with your hair, makeup, and everything? Guys, we are photoshopped, edited. Nothing is raw. The world that I belong to now is all photoshopped. Like, abhi bhi shayad ये sunlight है, ये इसका filter है. If my skin looks good right now, it's just because of the sunlight. We all have those days when we have acne, which I do have one, and I happen to freak out about it too, but then I put some creams and everything, and then they go away, and if they don't, then they leave a scar. And but the point is that just be happy in your own skin. If you like having fillers, have it. If you like having filters, just go and have it. Like I'm having this sun filter right now. और आखिरी बात, can we just stop belittling each other? Like as women, if we want to achieve what we want to, as feminists and as like Aurat March and everything, we just need to stop belittling each other. We need to not sit and have a laugh about each other. Like there are many who don't, but there are many who do. So let's just stop doing that, क्योंकि इससे बड़ा इंसान कोई नहीं हो सकता जो किसी के बारे में बैठ के उसके बारे में बातें करे और हाँ ही and then be happy about it, और उसके बारे में खुश हो कि आओ आज तो हमने किसी का मजाक उड़ाया. वाओ. So I think ये हमें बस कर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, हम आगे नहीं जाएंगे. So let's learn to appreciate each other, compliment each other, and praise each other in different ways. And बस मजाक एक दूसरे का उड़ाना हमें बंद कर देना चाहिए. And last but not the least, to all the DMs and all the lovely messages that my glory, I love how I am. I tend to make myself better each and every day. That's what you all should be doing. Just love yourself, because you know confidence is the best thing you'll ever wear. If you love yourself, that is the best compliment you can give yourself, and learn to give yourself some compliments, guys. So happy Women's Day to all those lovely women out there.